Hi, Greg Klaumanzer here at AlkalineBuzz.com. And today I want to talk a little bit about single-use water bottles. And my wife and I, when we started to get involved in learning about water and the healthiest water to drink and really learning all about different types of water, distilled water and bottled water and reverse osmosis and alkaline water and structured water, all that good stuff. One of the things that really disturbed us was we used to buy bottled water by the cases at Costco, and one of the things, even though we recycled, that disturbed us was just this huge amount of waste and throwing these bottles away on a weekly basis out in the recycle. And one of the disturbing things that we've discovered is that Americans throw about 38 billion water bottles into the landfill each year. And what we also discovered was that only 10% of all of the bottles ended up in recycling. So that's 90% of these single-use water bottles that end up in the landfill. And a lot of people think that bottled water is somehow healthier for them or glamorous or chic or whatever. And what most people don't realize is that 24% of all bottled water is basically tap water. And a lot of this is packaged by the large soda companies, beverage companies. And what they're basically doing is taking tap water and distilling it and then bottling it. It's actually the byproduct, or it's the same water they use to make their sodas with. It has no minerals in it and has really no health benefits to drinking the water. The other thing is, if you think about the costs it takes to make one bottle of water, it takes about two bottles of water to make one bottle of water. And then also the expenses in terms of, these are petroleum-based products, okay? And think about it, putting water in a petroleum-based product that is, the water is most likely distilled water, at least a lot of it is distilled water. And distilled water is very absorbs very quickly. And so what happens is you're absorbing petroleum into your water, or toxins into your water. And then drinking that, it's just not a good idea. It's not the best choice in terms of what you can get out there. So we really encourage people to think outside the bottle and eliminate the use of single-use water bottles. Just like a lot of stores, and I think probably even legislation is going to get passed where people will no longer be using plastic bags when they go to the supermarket. A lot of people are taking taking their own bags to the grocery store and bagging them in reusable bags. So we're in some changing times. People are becoming more eco-friendly and more earth conscious, and we just want to be out there doing our part, encouraging people to stop drinking single-use water containers and go ahead and get yourself a SIG bottle or a clean canteen or something that's reusable to whatever water that you're drinking. It's one of the reasons why we got into the water business selling ionizers, is that the ionizers produce some of the cleanest, safest, and healthiest water, and we don't have to buy bottled water. We get to drink the best water, and we use our SIG bottles, and so we feel really good about being part of the solution in terms of eliminating single-use water bottles. I also heard that the mayor of San Francisco passed a ban, I think, on all government spending for eliminating the purchase of any single-use water bottles within the budget of San Francisco. So it looks like we're moving in that direction, and we just want to help educate and encourage people to stop really polluting the planet. We're creating enough plastic that we're going to basically put the earth in saran wrap if we don't take some major steps in re-educating people and stop just drinking these things and throwing them away. Again, we're putting the earth in saran wrap and basically going to asphyxiate the planet if we don't make some major changes in terms of how we consume our water. Anyways, that's all I want to say today. I hope you're having a great day. Again, my name is Greg Klaumenzer over at AlkalineBuzz.com. I look forward to sharing more information with you in the future. In fact, I'm doing an experiment right now. You'll have to check on another video, but right now I'm doing an experiment. This is alkaline water. It's got some nails in it and some bolts, and this is basically Dasani distilled water. You can already see that the nails and stuff are rusting in the bottom. I'm going to give it a week or so, and so check back with me and we'll see how the Dasani water and the high alkaline water compare in terms of oxidation tests. So that's it for now. Have a great day.